Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Great once again to be back with you. It's July the 11th, 14:24 in the afternoon. We are later than normal, but I changed the time and re-advertised it to start. In fact, in another 5 or 6 minutes, we are ahead of at that time. The reason for that is I've been uploading to Rumble, and it just took a little while longer than anticipated, but we're here now. Great day for everyone. Now, you might be going, but you're down 1%. Remember, when I'm in margin, and I'm now 30,000 in margin, then I'm up exaggerating the market, and I'm down exaggerating the market as well. So if we look at the S&P today, it's actually only down 0.75. And we can explain it perfectly because the news today was fantastic, but yet it's down. Why is it down? Well, we're going to discuss that on the show today, and we're also going to look how it compares to Nvidia, which is down nearly 5%, and Tesla, like I said, would sell off. There it is. There's the evidence of it all there, all happening exactly like I said. So anyway, let's get down to all the information, and then you can decide for yourselves. It's a perfect day, really, really great. I'm not bothered that it's down. So I'll make this video, and then I will make this video, and then I will answer all your questions. Right, let's make a start. Okay, let's check the back of the studio. Yeah, we're all good. Okay. Right. Perfect day. Perfect day on the stock market. Money moves out of Nvidia, Tesla, just like I said, moves into Virgin Galactic. But beware, it's a very, very short correction. It's a pivot. That's all it is. It's a rebalance. It's a perfect day. We have got exactly what I said we would get. I said we would get rate cuts in the summer of 2024. That's just a couple of months away now, September. It's going to happen 100%, very, very confident. Why are the markets down today? What's going on? Well, money has moved out of high tech today, not because it's bad. It's about to come straight back in again. It's moved out because it's taken profits off the top and the small caps. Look at the Russell today, the Russell 3000 flying away today. All the small caps. Look at Virgin Galactic today. Those that require borrowing to be reduced, they're all up big time today. But be very careful buying low quality over high quality. All that has happened today is people have trimmed off, just like I said. Tesla was overbought. It was too expensive. It's great, but when you're overbought, people are waiting to dump and take profit and get out. And they have. But it's a quality business. Nvidia, same. Great, but it's overbought. It's a quality business. Microsoft, remember I said that was even more expensive. And that is down 2.5%. I told you Google was the best buy. That is also down today. You can see all these mag stocks are down. Johnson & Johnson, one of our favorites, and one of our friends here, Team Fusion, loves J&J, hardly moved. All those dividends, fantastic. You've lost no money. In fact, it's held lovely, exactly as expected. McDonald's was oversold. You can never pay too much for land. That's gone up. Going back to our space, Virgin Galactic, rising, lovely. Do not chase it. Do not think now everything is fantastic. Today is exactly what was supposed to happen. So let's go back and see what I did this morning. I posted 2 videos. I put it on X. Before I bought more S&P, you can see if we scroll down here, go to my S&P. I always put my money where my mouth is. I always do what I say and say what I do. You can see here, look, my orders coming up there, look. This morning, July the 11th, $10,300. One of my biggest ever purchases of the S&P in one go. I said I would, as my portfolio grew, I said I would spend more on margin in proportion and in balance. If I scroll up, you'll see, if I go back to my main position here, my buying power, you can see I've got $30,000 in margin now. I've gone from 19,000 to 30,000. I couldn't be more in. I mean, I've got another 120, I suppose, but that would be a bit crazy. It would take me like 50 years to pay it off, so there's no point doing that. You've got to be in a position where you can pay off your margin. Margin wasn't designed to have forever. But anyway, I am extremely confident in the S&P, extremely confident with growth. So what has happened today is we've got inflation coming down faster than America has been really reporting. Europe, Asia, UK, known for ages. We're probably going to get a second rate cut early next week in the European Central Bank. Wouldn't that be something? A second rate cut, and America still hasn't moved. But, you know, there it is. That's a story for another day. So what's happened today is NVIDIA, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, like I've said, they were all too expensive. They've sold off. Now, this makes the S&P even more attractive. Why? Because at some point, the money that's flooded in to the small caps, the ones that are very risky, low quality, things like Virgin Galactic, which is sitting on a knife edge, people will take profit from this. I would say probably tomorrow after PPI, take their money out. This will dump back down again, and you will see the S&P rally once again. Because now NVIDIA is a bit on sale. Google is a bit on sale. Tesla is going down again. It's a bit on sale. Virgin Galactic and all these other companies that have rallied today, probably Rocket Lab. Yep, there you go, Rocket Lab. They've all rallied, and I didn't know that. I just guessed it probably would be, and when I went to it, I can't see the tabs until I click on them. Plug, there you go, another one. All these small, well, not small in this case, but all these companies that relied on interest payments, they've all benefited. Well, people will take profit from these, and I believe because we've still got huge amounts of potential in Tesla. See, it's getting cheaper by the minute. In Tesla, in Microsoft, in NVIDIA, in Google, all of these things, you will see the money come back in again tomorrow, which, in my opinion, with my calculations, makes the S&P even more valuable. Because what you've got today, if it wasn't for the small caps doing so well, they've all rallied today. One of the best days for the small caps, but yet the S&P's down because it's represented a lot by high tech. It would actually be down way more, 5, 6, 7, 8%. And bearing in mind, it's exaggerated with me because I'm in margin. So actually, it's only down about 0.7. I'm down 0.1% because I've got margin. So it exaggerates up and down. So it's hardly moved at all. What does that mean? Well, the small caps, even though we'll get some sell-offs tomorrow, in my opinion, after PPI, they will continue to grow, not quite as fast as they have today on that initial flow in. They'll continue to grow because rate cuts are coming down. Sorry, rate cuts are happening and rates will come down. That will help all those businesses. That's great. That's absolutely great. But money will come back in to the mega caps because they are now on sale. So the S&P will go up even higher. Possibly even as soon as tomorrow. But I do see that the S&P will hit 6,000 by the end of this year. Still feel that it's by the end of the decade, 6 years, we would have tripled the S&P. So I am very, very happy to be in with margin, 30,000. It will take some time for me to pay that off, but I hope I can earn money on YouTube because that's my income. I'm not going to sell the stocks. I will have dividends now of maybe $450 a quarter, so that's just got a little bit better. The growth is going to be there, but I'm not going to be selling. I'm going to be holding. And if things get difficult and I don't earn as much on YouTube as I expect, I can always sell. Remember, you sell from the bottom. So the ones that I will be selling are the ones I bought back in January, and they are up a long way. So that's what I'll be doing. Anyway, there we go. Do you feel today was a great day? Yes, the S&P is down, but it was a great day. Presents you opportunity to buy your favorite tech stocks on a bit of a discount. They're going to come back. It gave the opportunity to take some short-term gains on your Virgin Galactics, your Rocket Labs, your high-risk stocks. I think people will. Remember, you can't compare Virgin Galactic, Rocket Lab to NVIDIA, Google, Microsoft, and all the rest of it. Not at all. It's great they've rallied. I think people will take profits and buy back in. And tomorrow is PPI. After that, I think we'll see the rally. It might not happen tomorrow. I don't know. I've not got a crystal ball. But I think everything is very, very good. Did I time it perfectly? No. Does it matter? Absolutely not. As you remember, I sold on the dip this morning, I bought on the dip this morning, just here before it popped, and it went down a bit lower. But remember, 99%, and that's the benefit of long-term investing, 99% of my S&P is down a lot lower, like 17, 18, 19, 20% lower, even though my overall average is not that low, not that good, because I've been buying on the way up, of course. So it doesn't matter that I bought 20 shares of the S&P today at this level, and then it went lower. It doesn't matter. I'm not trying to time the market. I just wanted to remain in or get more in. So there you go. That's the situation today. Very, very happy with that. What do you think? Am I right? Am I wrong? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments below. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Please do make sure that you've tapped the like button. It really helps the channel. I've got to earn 30 grand now. And click subscribe, ring the bell. Over here, I'll put more playlists and videos that you might find interesting. In fact, the moment it happened this morning when I bought, maybe up here and down there. Okay, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Let's read your comments. Okay, let's have a quick look. The NASDAQ has had an amazing run recently, though. I was waiting for a little pullback. Yeah, you see why I don't buy the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is, focused on tech more than the S&P. So I would have thought, I've not had a look, but I would have thought the NASDAQ would be down today. Let's have a look. The NASDAQ is showing it's up today. Is that right? The NASDAQ up today? Is that right? Am I reading that right? How can the NASDAQ be up today? Am I looking at that right? Is that right? The NASDAQ's up today. That doesn't make any sense. Maybe it is. How can that be up today with all the tech down? Well, that's a bit weird. Okay, fair enough. I would have guessed the opposite, but never mind. How weird is that? Come on. Really hate when this face thing doesn't work. Right, there you go. Anyway, I guess people did start to realize rate cuts aren't good. I know things tend to trend up over time. Just feel like the light bulb went off. No, not at all. I guess people did start realizing rate cuts aren't good. Yes, they are. Of course they're good. Rate cuts, of course they're good. And here comes the S&P back up again. What do you mean? Rate cuts isn't good. Of course rate cuts are good. So tired. Vet is done now at baseball and fell asleep on the table for like 5 minutes. Oh dear, Stacey Bailey. We hope your horse is okay. You're taking your horse to the vet this morning. Tesla Robotaxi even got delayed, which is the main reason why Tesla was down. I don't think that's the main reason at all, because there's no delays to NVIDIA, and they're down equally. I don't think it's that at all. It's people selling. We always knew that Robotaxi would have issues. I've said robotaxi isn't even going to make anyone any money, but no one's paid attention to that. But anyway, we shall see. Be nice to have a pullback. We want a correction, but it doesn't bother me either way. Good evening, Stacey. Get yourself a nice cup of tea with milk to keep you awake. There you go. Martin, you ate on roll. To 8 on roll with what you say, manifesting to just say, Martin, you are on a roll with what you say, manifesting to just say, Stacey will make $1 million by next summer. Say it. Just do it. Stacey Bailey will make millions by next summer. I see it. I believe it. Stacey Bailey will make millions by next summer. There you go, Stacey. Afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Jason. Stacey, he has to say it whilst touching the crystal ball. Okay. All right. Okay. I see. You want a little bit more. You want a little bit more. Well, the members deserve a little bit more. The members, here we go. Okay. One of my members, Stacey Bailey, who believes in manifesting, I do as well to a certain degree, believes if I bring out my crystal ball, there is my crystal ball, and I make this following statement, it shall happen. So shall we put it out there in the universe? You're damn right. If you're a member of my channel, why not? Let's do it. Stacey Bailey, this time next year, you'll be a millionaire. You'll make millions. Absolutely great. I see it in my crystal ball. I'm sending you positive vibes. This time, next summer, you will have made millions. I'm loving it. There you go, Stacey Bailey. How about that? Ka-ching, ka-ching. All right, there you go. Right, hit the like button. Tesla selling off. I knew it would. Like I knew it would. I'm buying it up tomorrow, though. I'm up $400 on Rocket Lab. Congratulations. Good afternoon. Afternoon all. Hi. Up hi, Caden Youngquist. How are you, young man? Up to $400 on Luna. I keep getting free memberships. He does, lucky sod. I have to pay for mine. Literally, I pay for my own membership. I can't give myself a free membership. Can anyone donate me a membership? Tilray is up too. Yes, we know why Tilray's up, because legislation's going to happen. Anything that borrows money is going to be up today. It's not up by much, though, to be fair. Decided to buy more Tesla versus VU since I bought 10 shares of VU a few days ago. We'll grab more VU next check. Radiant smile. Martin, your portfolio has done amazing so far this year. It's been great seeing how quickly it has grown. You did the right thing when you started investing in the S&P 500. S&P is less stressful too. It most certainly is. It's a balance. Is live stream a cafe still a thing? Yes, it is. It's still a thing. Live stream a cafe is still a thing and people still use it. Yes, indeed. Tesla Neuralink is insane. You can control Optimus with it. With the blind will be able to see in the future. You can also infrared and radar with it. It's insane. Caden Youngquist, no. No what? I don't know what you're saying no to. Down 1.67. No. That's what I thought. I said, how can the NASDAQ be up? Exactly. I was like, NASDAQ can't. Let me have a look at that. See? How does it say the NASDAQ is up? You see what I mean? You have to be so bloody careful. Look, NASDAQ. Why is it saying it's up? I knew that wasn't right. Why on earth? Am I looking at the wrong thing? Can someone tell me? What am I looking at? I'm looking at my Apple, my iPhone, NASDAQ. How the heck can it say it's up? I need to sort this out. Because that makes no... Am I looking at the wrong thing? How the heck can the NASDAQ be up? I said it can't be up. So can someone tell me, have I got the wrong ticker? What am I missing here? I look at this every day. What have I missed? What am I doing wrong? NASDAQ. How can it be up? It's on 1 week. No, see? 1 day. It's still showing up. I don't understand this. Am I looking at the wrong thing? Oh, hang on. Hang on. No, NASDAQ. I am really confused. Yahoo Finance. NASDAQ up 0.6. You're on a weekly view. No, I'm not. That was a daily view. Look, daily view. This is on Yahoo Finance, daily view. Look. I don't understand it. How can all that be wrong? How can all that be wrong? I am completely... I mean, just by knowing what's in the NASDAQ, I knew it could not possibly be up. And it had to be down, which it must be down. And it's saying it's up. Well, that's flipping you. That's great, isn't it? Oh, this is driving me mad. Why do you keep not recognizing my face? You used to. Let's have a look. Yes, of course. Elon Musk telepathy and AI will change the world for better. NASDAQ 100 down. Yeah, exactly. Market will reject, just delayed. Tesla was overbought. That's why I sold off. Exactly. I said it over and over again. How is space up 780? Like I just explained. People are buying low quality stocks today on the small caps because of interest rates coming down. This is what we said over and over again. It'll drop in a rock, like a rock in 1 or 2 days. Best YouTube channel on the internet. Positive energy, always. Stacy, these are the best live TV channels on the YouTube in the universe. It's on the 1 week. No, I changed it to the day. You're on a week. No, I didn't. It's on a day. See, I've always said the corrupt numbers. Yeah, Mrs. Robinhood says it's up. Mr. Robinhood says it's up. They're all fixed. Asking, what's going on? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. What's going on? It doesn't make any sense. This is all rubbish. Hang on. I'm really confused here. See? That is the NASDAQ. That is the NASDAQ. Using the same service. Look, that's what it should read. That's what it should read. Index. Hang on a minute. I think have I got the wrong ticker in here? Let's add another one. Let's add a ticker. Let me add another one. Edit watch list. Add. NASDAQ. I think I had the wrong one in. Okay. Let me change that there. Done. Just bear with me a second. Just checking something here. NASDAQ. I'm just doing something here. The NASDAQ 100 does not include the stocks of financial institutions, investment companies. The NASDAQ 100 does not include the stock of financial institutions, investments, companies, or sectors such as oil or gas. Right, okay. Is the NASDAQ 100 the same as the NASDAQ composite? Just reading this here. The NASDAQ 100 is frequently confused. Yeah, frequently confused. The NASDAQ 100 is frequently confused with the NASDAQ composite index. The latter index, often referred to simply as the NASDAQ, includes the stock of every company that is listed on the NASDAQ, more than 3,000 altogether. The NASDAQ 100 is in modified cap. That makes sense. Right, okay, so we're going to get rid of that one. That makes sense. So now I understand it. We had the wrong one. Always learning, always learning. We'll get rid of that. Bloody useless. Don't want that in there, do we? We put that. Whoops-a-daisy. Let's do that. Where's it gone? Edit. Edit watch list. There you go. SPY New York. There you go. That'll do. Right. Now we're getting there. We don't want the. We don't want that. Okay. There, good. Right, we're all sorted. No point leaving it. Now I understand we had the wrong thing. Sorted. There's the NASDAQ. So I was saying that the NASDAQ will be down today because of tech and everything else, and it wasn't, but it bloody well is now. So as you can see, SPY, if I go up there, there it is. That's how it should be. Now you can see that the tech is bringing it down 1.79, whereas the SPY is only down, the S&P 500 is only down 0.8. So there is your difference. Bloody hell, that took some time. It was worth getting it right though, wasn't it? Don't want to get anyone confused. Face ID, yes. You're doing my head in. Used to work, brilliant. Right, okay. Should buy it at 62. It's 20,000 for me. Virgin Galactic is, oh, can't read that out. Oops-a-daisy. Hi, Mike. Good evening, James, Craig. Good evening, Craig, buddy. Mr. Robinhood says it's up. They all fixed Asti. Right. On ETORO, Nasdaq 100 is approximately 28, then it came down to 20, approximately 2% drop. Afternoon all. Thank you, James. Ed Nevius. Hi, Ed. People don't know how to make a regular trip to space tourism. It's a fantastic move. They're all just promising, says Kamal. Or Camille. I do apologize. Ed, thank you. Caught a nice scalp on CYN, Mr. Mike. Hey, NASDAQ sorted out before market close. Yeah, absolutely right. We've sorted it. That ain't going to happen again. Always got to fix it. Don't leave it to another day. If you don't, just do it. Just get it done. Get it done. Right, okay. Whew. 7 minutes to go. We're all sorted now. That took a while, but it's worth getting there in the end, wasn't it? Right. Now then, is Vaz in the show today? Vaz is having a call with me in a minute. Vaz, are you here? Vaz, I think he's there. He's in the extra channel, I think. He might be here. Oh, he's in the main channel as well. Are you here? He's in both channels by the looks of things. Good man. We love it. Okay. So there's Virgin Galactic. So I should probably make a quick video on Virgin Galactic, why it's up today, because this is going to confuse a lot of people, I think. Maybe I'm wrong. Perfect day, SPCE at end. Right. Let's address this then. Virgin Galactic, why is it up today? One of the best days it's had for ages. Fantastic. Really great. Really, really pleased. Let me tell you exactly why it's up today. Has Virgin Galactic announced something? Well, we know about the factory getting completed, but that's not it. Yesterday, it popped up on that news and straight back down again. No one really cared. It was expected. It wasn't really much of news. It was all as planned. Of course, it does mean that Delta is not running behind time. That's good news. And the factory got completed. It is good news, but no one really cared. It went up. It went straight back down again. Okay. So it isn't that. So why is it up? Well, exactly as expected. Today, I said we'd get inflation down. I said 18 months ago, summer of 2024, rates would come down, and they will in September, 100%. Now everyone is starting to agree with me. So why are we red in the studio, and why is Virgin Galactic green? Simple as this. Rates have come down. Companies that hold cash, like Amazon, like Google, Nvidia, all of these things, Microsoft, and all the rest of it, they make money when rates are high. They've had no problem with rates being high. Is it bad for them now? Rates have come down. That rates will be coming down? Not really. But what it does mean is it gave everyone the opportunity today to trim off the top and take some profit. How many videos have I said that that Tesla is too expensive, Nvidia is too expensive, I only own the S&P? How many times? I don't know. I've lost count. However, today, on good news, the rates are coming down, inflation's coming down. That means people take profits out of stocks that have boomed and boomed and boomed. Makes perfect sense. You can see the Russell is up today. Small caps are all up today. Low quality stocks are all up today. It's only a short-term thing though, because now everything has become cheaper in Tesla and Microsoft and Nvidia and Google, and the S&P is down a little bit as well. Sold off, people will buy back when they've made some quick profits out of the low quality stocks. Now, I'm not saying that Virgin Galactic is a low quality stock, but compared to Google, I think and Tesla and Amazon, I think you'd agree it's a low quality stock. Some people would say it's rubbish anyway. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. That's for you to decide. I think the management are rubbish, but the product is great. However, we've always said when interest rates come down, that is good for companies that borrow money. So Virgin Galactic like today's news. Of course they do. Rates have come down. No surprise. I knew they would. I said they would. I put my money where my mouth is. And this morning I bought another $10,000 of the S&P. I'm now $30,000 in margin. 100% believe that the S&P will triple by the end of the decade, which is more than it's ever done. So I'm very, very happy with that. But that's why Virgin Galactic is up today. We can see the same with Rocket Labs. We can see the same with other tech stocks which are borrowing money that needed some stimulus. We've got a bounce today. It won't last forever, because what will happen is people will be very happy that rates have come down, or they will come down in September, which is great. However, people will take profits from this. It wouldn't be much. I wouldn't have thought it'd go much higher than this. Take a profit from this and then start buying in your Teslas, buying your Googles and all the rest of it once again. Quality always comes out on top. It just might take some time. So that's why Virgin Galactic is up today. Nothing to do with the factory in Arizona being completed. That was yesterday. It popped and sold straight off. Nothing to do with that. It's all to do with interest rates coming down. But that shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. We all knew that if you did your numbers and the calculations and didn't listen to people on YouTube and didn't listen to the pundits telling you one way to buy, then next day to sell, and God knows what else. We all knew that rates were coming down. And what's happened now? All the small caps, Russell 3000s, all popped up, and the Nasdaq is down today big time, whereas the S&P has hardly moved. And that's what's happening. That's why Virgin Galactic is up today. Do you agree with me, or do you disagree? Maybe you know something I don't, and there's some magic, and all of a sudden Elon Musk is going to fly and take over the company and God knows what else. Nope, none of those things. It was exactly as expected, which is great for you if you are an investor in Virgin Galactic. Congratulations. My suggestion, and it's not a financial advice, would be to take profits, because the stock's going to go to sleep again for another year, and re-enter the S&P. That would be my, in fact, that is what I'm doing. I didn't sell Virgin Galactic, but I am buying more of the S&P now. I bought another 10,000 today. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. I'll put more things that you might find interesting. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, Craig. Sorry, Vaz is here. Brilliant. Vaz, what I want you to do is call me or call into the show. It'll be a private call on the usual link. I'll give it to you in a second once I've rung the bell. I'll give you the password if you've not got it. It'll be offline. We'll be on the extra channel, but nobody will hear you. And they might just see your face in the background, but they won't see what you're saying to me. Or they won't hear. It's a private call. Bell's going to go in just a couple of seconds. Let's get ready. Ring the bell. There you go. The bell has now gone once again. Are you up? Are you down? It's time for Day Trader of the Day. Let's have a look. Here we go. So I am up. Sorry, I'm down. Beg your pardon. I'm down today. And I'm down 1.16%. There you go. There we go. There's my score. Let's see who wins today. Can you sort the Tesla before market close? Also, just get it to back up to ideally. Play Ya Ya Ding Dong. Vaz, BRDX went nuts today. 43% so far. Amazing. It's on my buy, sell stock. Buy. I wanted to rehearsal for Jack. Ya Ya Ding Dong. I'm playing piano, me playing accordion. There you go. I don't have an accordion, by the way, nor can I play it. Well, that sucks, Vaz. You need to learn. Anyone that chat has a spare accordion, sold half my Tesla and loaded into S&P. I've got it, Martin. You've got it all. Great. You've got the link and you've got the password. Great. It never changes. Soon I'll put the other half into the S&P too. Sold half my Tesla and loaded. Congratulations. Right, I'm down 1.16, up 1.5. Juan Zavala, congratulations to you. Michael, it's a members-only competition, I'm afraid. It's members only, so that's a very good score, but we can only verify members, and of course, it is a members-only competition, and it needs to be your overall portfolio, not just one stock or the rest of it. Polo, sorry I didn't get to do your review. I'll do it first thing in the morning. It's my next one to do. I was going to do it today, but I was delayed because of Rumble taking time to upload the videos. But I'll do it first thing in the morning. Okay, Polo. Did you see the first one I made for you? That's out. That was out last night. Polo up 1.8. Who sings the bell song? It is Neutron Phoenix. Neutron is the group. Michael up 4.36, but it's only members. 1.8 Polo, 1.8. I say Polo is the winner. Give a round of applause to Polo. Absolutely great. Congratulations, Polo, to you. Absolutely awesome. Congratulations. We're loving it. That's it from me. Let's wrap up the show. Clear it all down. I don't think we have any new subscribers, members, super chats. No need to roll the credits today. It's been quite a quiet afternoon. We will go back to the extra channel. If you want to see Vaz on the screen, you'll be able to see Vaz. You won't be able to hear him. I'll have the music playing, but you will be able to see him on the screen. He's going to call me. He's going to call into the show. There is the extra channel. All right. Let me give everyone the link to it as well. There you go. Congratulations, Polo. And thank you for your honest trades. Good stuff. Give him a thumbs up as well. Absolutely brilliant. Well done indeed. Congratulations to Polo. There we go. Congratulations, Polo. Right, we've come to the end of the show. I'll put out the two videos, Perfect Day and Space. Now, today, because I was busy talking to Vaz, I was going through one of his videos and something he was doing for me, and I was talking with him. I didn't get chance to publish the videos the way I normally do. You know me, I put the members first. Vaz, it's your fault today that my videos haven't performed well. I blame you. So I was talking with Vaz, and I'm going to be meeting with Vaz after the show. But because of that, I didn't put my videos out the normal way. They didn't go out one after another into each other on a premiere. Some of them, a couple did. The rest just went out quickly. So these are some videos you may have missed. So if you've not got a red line under them, you've not seen them. So I had rate cuts imminent. As you can see, it's very low views because I just put it out. It didn't get promoted. So if you want to go and watch it, please do. Sorry, everyone. I always put the members first. Don't apologize. If there's a member who wants to talk to me and it's important, I will stop what I'm doing. Hopefully the members will go back and look at these afterwards. But there's rate cuts. If you've not got a red line, go and check it out. Nvidia. I did an Nvidia video. Tesla. 6x. I said about it selling off today. Go and check that out. The plug news. I put some plug news out. Go and check that out. Join us as a sponsor if you didn't see that one. Inflation down. What I did this morning. Again, you see, look, it's only got 25 views. Hardly anybody's watched it yet. Why rate cuts are good. Rate cuts are good, and I explain it in that video. And US stock news today only had 2 views. Bloody hell. Vaz, it's even worse than I thought. All right, I just can't do everything at once. And if I've got a member that wants to talk to me and it's important and I've delayed them for a while, he also gave me 2 super chats, by the way. So he really wanted my attention. So that's why I did that. Go and check those out. You may have missed those. And also the secrets to wealth as well. I'm glad to see that's rising now. It's 193 views. That's doing better. Never expected it to do that well because it's not a promise of getting rich quick, I'm afraid. They're the videos that make people money. And that's the reason why I don't do them, because they're not true. Right, congratulations, Polo. Vaz says, sorry, everyone, my fault. Stock market is going down. Stock market is going down. Not sure what you mean by that. Yes, I suppose some of it is. Anyway, Andrew, yes. Polu, thank you for the DocuSign reviews. However, more money is invested in TPL. Today in my portfolio, the best results are done by Uber and Plug. All right, Polo, congratulations. I'll be doing the TPL review in the morning. All right, going to send you all now to the extra channel. Vaz, if you want to call in the moment I finish, you've got the link. You said you've got the link. If there's a problem, you'll be an extra, and I'll give it to you again. It will be a private call. People will be able to see you on the big screen. They'll see you. In fact, they won't, will they? No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they will. Just, you'll be here. They'll see your face about there, but they won't hear you. They'll be listening to music, but I'll be able to talk to you and discuss what it is you want to discuss, all right? Okay. Okay. All good. That's it from me then. I'll send you all to the extra channel now. I will see you back in the morning for the Friday phone-in, Friday concert tomorrow night. And, of course, tomorrow morning is PPI. This is when the whole thing comes together. Will we get a rally? It all popped up before. It all popped up before inflation, sold off. Now I would expect it could do the same thing, go up for CPI and then stay up, or it'll follow afterwards. Let's see. But anyway, that's what I think is going to happen, and let's see if I'm right. Take some money out of Virgin Galactic if you believe now is a good time. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you back in the morning. I'll see you on the extra channel right now, and I'll see Vaz in a private video call right now. Until then, as always, let me just bring this up to date. Oh, Vaz is on the phone already. All right, Vaz, stand by. I'll be right there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.